According to the S&P 500, an American stock market index, in between the years 2007 and 2017, the average rate of return on an investment made in the stock market was around 7.92%. The average rate of return for a traditional savings account was around 0.3%. What this means is that at the beginning of the year, if you were to place $10,000 into a diversified portfolio of stocks and $10,000 into a traditional savings account, at the end of that year, the account with the stocks in it will have grown by about $792. The account that was in your savings, the money that was in your savings account, will have grown by about $30. This shows that the difference between the results of storing your money in an account and actually investing that money can be dramatic. I'm a business administration student, and I've been interested in the stock market since I was very young. I've actually been using this application I'm about to tell you about for about 6 months now. It's helped me get started in the market, and it's been a great experience so far. Now, I'm going to be telling you about an amazing application that enables the everyday person to tap into the world of investing. Now, in the past, purchasing stocks required a middleman or broker to actually make the transaction. Modern technology and the internet have eliminated the need for expensive brokers or middlemen, and interacting with the market has never been easier. Robinhood is an application that brings the market right to your phone. Today, I'm going to be going over some of the things that make Robinhood an amazing solution for those looking to participate in the vast and exciting world of stock trading. First, we're going to be looking at why Robinhood is a better choice over traditional brokerage companies. We're going to be looking at some of the key features that make the application so appealing, and we're also going to be looking at how Robinhood could even be used as a tool for simply learning about the market. Okay, so first, we're going to be looking at why it's a good idea to choose Robinhood over your traditional brokerage company. First thing is that brokerages have to have store locations for you to go visit. This costs money. This money is paid for by the customer, you. With Robinhood, there is no need for storefront locations. It is all based online. This cuts costs for their company and makes it easier for you to save money as well. Another thing is that with internet, everything is basically automated. There's no need for manual account management. You're not paying somebody to go in and fix each of your transactions. That's less money that you're going to have to worry about spending. And you can save the money that you're trying to invest. And then all in all, less overhead for Robinhood means that you get to trade commission-free. Most brokerage companies charge between $5 and $15 per trade. That's money that you're losing out on, and you're spending money on investing what you already own. Now that we've talked about, what makes Robinhood better than a traditional brokerage company, we're going to look at some of the key features that make the application so user-friendly. It is beautifully designed for both Apple and Android products. It features an easy-to-use dashboard that compiles all of the important information that you're going to need to make informed decisions when trading in the market. Up here at the very top, you'll see your entire portfolio value. That's all of the stocks that you purchased and what they're worth today. Below that, you'll see a chart where you can track your money's progress over the day, the past week, the past month, or the past year. You can see how your money's behaving and if you need to adjust where you have your money placed at. The portfolio, again, that's all of your stocks that you own. You can track it all in one screen. You can actually, for companies that you are interested in and have not purchased yet, you can put them on a watch list and see how they do. You can track them for a week or a month and see if there's somebody that you want to get involved with. Now, there are automatically generated charts and graphs, very easy to read. You don't have to pour through all the data yourself. It's right here, it's automatically generated, and it's always available for you to look at. You'll actually get, based on these numbers, you'll get alerts throughout the day. So if something's going on and you need to go sell your stock, you'll get that alert sent right to your phone. It also includes a news feed. So if a company has some kind of scandal going on, somebody's president's getting in trouble, you want to find out about that as soon as possible and be able to sell your assets. You're going to get news alerts based on what's important to you and your watch list, and you're going to be able to make informed decisions no matter where you are at. Now that we've talked about why Robinhood is better than a traditional brokerage company and why the app is so appealing to new users and experienced users alike, we're going to talk about how Robinhood can be used to simply educate yourself. If you're not ready to actually spend some money, this is a way for you to learn how the market behaves. First, you can build financial literacy as you go. What this means is, as you use this application, you're going to see some lingo and jargon that you're not familiar with. Go search it in Google. You know a little bit more now. Do that as you go. You can learn just by using this application. You can observe the markets, see how they behave. Even if you're not interested in investing, let's say that you are part of some large market, like the meat market. Well, if you're going to be making decisions based on how a certain market is doing, you want to know how that market behaves. This applies to all areas of finance. Finally, you can build a portfolio as you go. There are stocks that go for as low as $6 a share, like Snapchat. That means that all you need is $6 to get started. You can build this portfolio as you go, and there will be very little risk involved. So let's review. Today, I talked about why Robinhood is such a great option to choose over traditional brokerage companies. I talked about some of the key features that the app offers, and I also discussed how it could be used as an educational tool. It is clear to see that Robinhood is a great solution for those of you interested in the stock market, and I believe that it is the future of trading. Thank you.